I'm Nick Driftwood, filmmaker and LUMIX ambassador. V-Log and log footage in general is often really tricky to expose. There are a number of tools available to aid exposure in log. The first and most simple is the V-Log View Assist, which allows you to preview the video in Rec 709. Or with a LUT of your own making, you can equally use that. See the video on LUTs for more information on how to use this feature. The easiest tool available on the S1H is the new Luminance Spot Meter function. In V-Log, Luminance Spot Meter is set to report in stops. 0.0 stops correlate to 42% IRE or 18% middle grey. If you're in a shooting environment, simply using a grey card and adjusting exposure with the Luminance Spot Meter when it hits 0.0 stops, this will get you correct exposure. Alternatively, you can use the Waveform Monitor to do the same thing by balancing the grey card to 42% IRE. This is a quick guide to exposing V-Log in the brand new S1H.
Panasonic.